Welcome! Today I will tell you about how to increase TikTok video quality. Here are the main topics we will talk about in this video. Upload in HD. Use 4K video. Turn off data saver. Record from the rear camera. Let's get started. In this video, you will learn to upload the highest quality videos possible on TikTok. It's a complete helpline for you as it includes all sorts of information, changing your phone's data settings, using 4K videos to your advantage, the benefits of using the rear camera, and so much more. So keep watching to know all of these essential tips and tricks. Upload in HD. The first step is to open your TikTok app. The next thing you have to do is to get your video ready, or you can use one from your gallery. Next, click on the plus icon to start the video uploading process. After this is done, begin editing the clip, transitions, filters, and any other effects. After your video is ready, go to the post settings by tapping Next. Then add the necessary hashtags and captions, as well as modify applicable privacy settings for your videos to be uploaded. Then turn on Upload HD by toggling it on in the More Options section. Finally, the last thing you have to do is to click on the post to upload a video in HD. Use 4K video. Now, you may be wondering that TikTok only supports videos in 1080p, and any video you upload above that is usually scaled down. Well, the trick here is to record your video in 4K and then resize your video with some professional video editing software like Wondershare Filmora or Video Converter Ultimate. Downsizing the video in advance will give you the highest resolution of 1080p than the native aspect ratio of 1080p. Although this is a little more work, at least you will not be compromising on the quality of your video. Turn off data saver. Turning off the data saving function is an essential step in creating high-quality TikTok videos. Your cellular data use is reduced when you use the data saving option. Enabling this function might help you to avoid going over your monthly data limit if you're utilizing local data. However, this will lower the quality of TikTok videos. It will also slow down the loading of the videos on your For You page. To begin, go to your mobile device's App Store and download the TikTok app. To access your profile, press the Me symbol on the bottom notification bar once you've logged in. A three-dot icon may be seen in the right-hand corner of your profile. To access the settings and privacy page, tap the three-dot symbol. Scroll down until you find the title Cache and Cellular Data. You'll see a Data Saver option under the setter. Turn it off, and you will see a massive difference in your video quality. Record from rear camera. Most people who are recording their own videos tend to use the front camera. While this is efficient, it isn't the best way to record a video as the front camera creates a lower quality film. So instead, what you can do is to ask someone to record your videos using the rear camera, which has a higher quality and will record a better video. I have given the right kind of information to create high-quality videos, whether it is by using the rear camera or pre-editing your videos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the next video to learn more.